Lie on your back and place the IntelliRoll on your sacrum, which is the flat part of your spine between the hips. Spine zones should line up with your lumbar spine. Relax and breathe for 1 to 5 minutes. Try bringing your legs up off the floor with your knees bent and rotate your legs in an egg shape about 5 to 10 times in each direction to massage the lumbosacral tissues. You can also perform stretching in the IntelliRoll in this position. To get your hip flexors, leave your left leg straight and bend your right knee in towards your chest to feel a stretch in the front of your left hip. To stretch your hamstrings from this angle, straighten your right knee to feel a strong but comfortable stretch in the back of your right thigh. To stretch your piriformis, cross your left ankle over your right knee and pull your right thigh in towards your chest, feeling a stretch in the left buttock. Then finish with a butterfly stretch by pulling your feet in towards you with your knees out towards the sides. You should feel a stretch in the inner thighs. Do each for 30 seconds.